What is going on, guys? Another video today, bit of a different one because it's not my car that we'll be working on. E92 M3. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting a new set of bulbs into the angel eyes. The white LED bulbs. These cars come factory with the yellow globes in the angel eyes, and what we're going to be doing is replacing them with the upgraded LEDs. So to do that, first we have to pop open this tab here for this side, this one for this side, and then we can remove the old ones. So before I take them out, this is just how they look like stock. So they're not awful, but they are yellow. So we're going to be changing those to white, which will look so much better. So what we have to undo is that one there. So that connector is quite easy to reach. I mean, it is a bit painful to get out, and the new globe is going to be very, very painful to get back in. But we're going to have to unclip these two tabs, one on each side, and then pull that connector out, and then we're going to have to twist the bulb and then pull it out. So this is the old globe. It's a halogen standard type globe. And the new ones that we're going to be putting in are these LEDs with a little module there. So these ones are actually specifically designed for the E92s because they are shorter. Now you normally get like the H7, H9 bulbs and they're quite long. They will not fit because you've got so little room in there that it just doesn't fit at all. You won't be able to get it in unless you take the whole headlight apart, which is no point. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those ones, and then we'll cut back to that and we'll go like a before and after and what they look like. So this is what they look like before. That's what they look like now. 10 times better. I mean, obviously there's flickering because that's LED. It doesn't actually flicker, but so yeah, it's a massive upgrade. It's actually quite a bit brighter as well. It just looks 10 times more modern. So we're gonna go ahead and pop in the other one, and that will be it. So I've just got them both fitted up. Took me very minimal amount of time just because I've done this before. So inside there you can see the new LED that's fitted in there. So there's a little tip that I'll give to you guys because it's such a tight little area that it's really hard to put the bulb in and twist it. So what I do is I put the bulb in like this, and then I push it backwards and then in, because that's the best way to get it in, and you don't need tiny hands to do that. So that just makes it super easy, and all of that just tucks in there, and that's all hidden, and then the plate just goes on top and clips in. So that's a job well done. It does look like they're flickering on the camera, but they're actually not. But they look 10 times better than what they used to. So that's pretty much it for this video. I think it was quite a quick one. Super easy to do. Super easy to do at home with like almost no tools. It just needed like a flathead screwdriver. Literally all I used, which is great. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it helps.